What's up guys, Yogesh here from New Class of Business. Have you ever wondered when you're on the Facebook and some of the Facebook posts are anywhere from 50 to 100 or more comments, and if you go through all of them, each of them has been replied by the person who is actually the author of the Facebook post. I'm wondering how much time would it take for that person to actually go through them manually. Now there's a way around that. There's a Chrome extension that does all that for you, saving you a lot of time, at the same time commenting each and every comments made on your Facebook post. Wants to know more about this Chrome extension? The name is Commentfunnel. In this video, I'm going to do a product demo on Commentfunnel, how you can run this on your Facebook profile or on a Facebook page, and for that matter on a Facebook group, and how you can get access to the bonuses that comes with Commentfunnels. Yes, those bonuses are real good bonuses. You get access to the other Chrome extension. Interested? Stick around till the end of the video. That's where I'm going to tell you more about the bonuses, how you can actually use them to market your business on Facebook, and at the same time save you a lot of time. Well, you can actually do work on the productive side of your business. Let's go. All right, we are back. So before giving you a demo on how one can use the Commentfunnels, I'm just going to give you an idea of where a lot of people are using this Facebook post, and give you an idea of what sort of posts are they using it for, and that will give you an idea of how you can use it for yourself and how you can save a lot of time by using Commentfunnels to automate the replies to the Facebook posts that you are putting it on your profile, Facebook page, or a Facebook group. So here's a couple of examples where people can use the comment funnel and make their life really easy. So this is a post, and I'm part of this Facebook group for YouTube ads. Now this post got more than 1,000 comments. Now if he's going to reply to each and every them by himself, it's going to take a lot of time on his part, or you can hire a VA to do it. Most likely he is, but in terms of money, a little bit expensive. Well, Commentfunnels can do that for him, and I'm going to show you how. The other one is one of these older posts got 577 comments that you can do. Now another group I'm part of it, Spencer Meekum, he's actually using it. If you look at the landing page, you have this 4 hours ago, once before I was making this video, 104 comment is all about his new YouTube video. Anybody who comments, they get the link to the YouTube video, and he's actually using this Commentfunnels to do that, right? So that he's not sitting on Facebook replying to each and every comment, or he's not actually paying to a VA to do that for him. That's what the idea behind the Commentfunnel. So now I just want to give you an idea of bonuses that you're going to be getting it with Commentfunnels when you subscribe to it. First is you get access to another Chrome extension called Group Convert for the people who have Facebook groups. Any new person who joins your Facebook group, you can actually get the email from them and use the Commentfunnel to automatically send them emails and all that, and add to your email list. Next one is the happy birthday. It's there where all of your Facebook friends, you can automate the message on any of their happy birthday. This will comment on their Facebook profile, on the profile rather than on the messenger. And the next one is the befriend. You actually get a discount for it, 75% off. Now all of these bonuses when you sign up for Commentfunnels. So you're basically getting 4 software for the price of 1, where one of them is discount, and the other one, your Commentfunnels, you're paying the full price. But isn't that one of the other plus point of signing up for a trial for the Commentfunnel? Now let's go back and I'll show you how you can use the Commentfunnel, give you a demo on one of the Facebook posts of mine. Okay, so why don't we try it on one of my older posts. This is the post I just did it today, and when you click on these 3 little dots, you'll get this, use Commentfunnels. So you click on that, and So this is post. Time delay between the replies, we recommend at least 30 seconds. So you can just be on the safe. You can do 1 minute, 2 minute, let's say 30 seconds for this temporary break after you reply. So the Facebook, you don't want to get banned. So that Facebook thinks that it's automation. So what you're gonna do is maybe you can, after 10 replies, just take a break. So it says we recommend setting this as 10 or less. So let's say 10. Link, it's if you're promoting something, which I won't recommend that on your profile. Maybe on your inside your Facebook group, you can put the link that you are promoting it in the post, that you want people to comment something, and then you will send a link, and then you can just say automatically stops when you reach these many comments. We'll say 20. You can do temporary length of temporary break. We recommend setting at least to 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes, you can take a break. So that's it. And this is where, reply randomly cycle through these replies. Then you can just add the reply, add a new reply. So you can personalize it. So you can say full name, and then you can have the emoji there. Thanks. Here is the link. Something like that, and you add, so it's right there, and then you can add another reply. I suggest adding 3-4 different replies that you randomly, if you're on your profile, so it doesn't look like it's an automation or computer is doing it. But if you want to, inside the Facebook group, you can just have one and then give the thing. Then the other one is optional, only reply to comment that contains one of the following. So some of the comments that if you know, there's called a comment letter, but where it says this, there's a nice little post, and then there says comment done or comment something, and I'll send you the details, something like that. So you can add, this is not, done or do or something to that, so that only replies to this comment when they have it. So what you can do is the first one should be done, and then you add it, and then the next one should be do, add it, next one I like it, something. I mean, this is just a comment, so something like that, and then you click on this, start replying it. So everything else looks good, and see, ready to start, then click the start button. So if you want it, I'll just click the start button, and then there we go. It will go on, and then it will start replying it to people who have commented. There, nobody has commented it so far. This is just a brand new post. I'm just doing an example, but you click on this, and it will start replying it, and it will say all done. And then you can pause it and then click to buy again, and that's how you do it. And that's how you can save a lot of time, rather than replying it manually to each and every comment. You can use Commentfunnels. Very good way of using it on the Facebook profile is to that on anything that's a little bit valuable to them. So you're giving up something free, where inside the Facebook group you can promote any links you wanted to thing, or if you're promoting somebody else's webinar or something and you want people to join. And I've seen it, some people have actually, if they have a YouTube video coming out, and they promote that inside their Facebook profile. So that's how it's done. It's very easy, and if you want to get started, link is in the description. Go ahead, get started, and see how you can take advantage of this and save a lot of time for yourself. Alright guys, now you've enjoyed this video, and what you gotta do is, on this screen somewhere, there are a couple of other videos that I've done. It could be interest to you. If it is, click on that and enjoy that video, And by the way, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, there is a subscription link somewhere on the screen. Subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified, and hit the bell notification to get notified for the next new video. See you.